Welcome to Learn to Wash Hands Like a Surgeon, a fun and essential guide for kids and parents. Washing our hands properly is the best way to keep away germs and stay healthy, just like doctors and surgeons do before an operation. First, wet your hands with clean, running water and apply enough soap to cover all surfaces. Next, rub your palms together thoroughly to create a good lather, making sure to spread the soap all over. Then, rub the palm of one hand over the back of the other hand, interlocking your fingers. Switch sides and repeat. Now interlace your fingers and rub in between them. This cleans the sides of your fingers where germs like to hide. Make sure to clean the back of your fingers too. Rub the back of your fingers against the opposite palm, making a sort of hook shape. Time for the thumbs. Clean each thumb by rotating the opposite palm around it. This gets all sides of your thumb. Don't forget your fingertips. Rub the fingertips of one hand in the opposite palm to clean under your nails. Repeat for the other hand. Finally, give your wrists a good clean with rotational rubbing. Extend the same scrubbing method to your wrists. Rinse your hands thoroughly under clean, running water. Make sure all the soap is gone. Use a clean towel or an air dryer to dry your hands completely. If you are using a public faucet, use the towel to turn off the water to avoid recontaminating your clean hands. That's it. Now you know how to wash your hands like a surgeon. Keep practicing to keep your hands clean and healthy.